Hello and welcome to E-Prime. I am Dejani. It was new music for Valentine's weekend. First up, Jahmiel released his single Love Lost along with the official music video. It tells the story of a man who lost his love due to his infidelity and immaturity, with the usual compelling lyrics like, quote, "Sorry to break your heart, I try find myself," end quote. Jahmiel's great voice is enough to mend any heartbreak.
I'm sorry for break your heart, I try find myself. Sorry for always I complain, I never see the problems them and I myself. Yeah. Sorry for tell you some I love you but me still cheat. You have a good heart and enough food that kill feed. Me never ever want you feel like you're not good enough. You do enough 1,000 times. Me get tell you this, my lady.
This is not the first time Jahmiel has released a slow jam for Valentine's Day. Last year, the Patriot Artiste released Kiss My Love Goodbye. Interestingly, the song is about Jahmiel walking away from a relationship although he was in love. Are we seeing a trend here? Now, Popcorn joins the love releases as the artist who was on a high when Bajan superstar Rihanna posted a quite risque picture of herself quoting lyrics from his 2018 single Naked from his album Forever on her official Instagram page. Now, the photo sent Riri fans, especially Jamaicans, in a frenzy, capping 3 million likes in just under an hour. It was what the OVO artist Popcorn needed as he released his brand new EP titled Galentines. Fans were treated to 4 songs: Feel Right, Good Only, Broke It Off, and Wine All Day, with a dancehall sultry feeling. Galentine's EP was released the same day as the visuals for another Lovers release, Best/Blessed. And possibly a different way of showing love, emerging artist Truly Dejani dropped a birthday anthem for the ladies on Valentine's Day. Birthday was a pre-release from the Stormtrooper rhythm from Down Sound, which is set to feature some top dancehall acts. Still on Valentine's weekend, Symone apologized to her fans after her scheduled New Jersey show was cancelled due to what she describes as strict COVID-19 restrictions. In a video post, the Shenyang boss made the announcement to her fans and was quick to add that she was not sick and that the incident was out of her hands.
I really cannot do anything about it. Neither can the promoters. You will be fully compensated back by the promoters if you choose not to attend the event, but I will definitely see you soon when the law pass say, I can perform there and all that. So sorry, guys. So sorry. Mwah.
Symone did, however, fulfill her engagement in Atlanta. Symone, who was recently recruited as the face for the health minister's COVID-19 campaign, came under heavy criticism, as many were concerned with her as an ambassador due to the fact that she has been traveling and performing outside of Jamaica. That's it for E-Prime this evening. I'm Dejani. Thank you for watching.